Welcome to using FM system equipment with your student for the new school year. I'll show you briefly how to use the teacher transmitter microphone. It looks like this, and it has a touchscreen feature. To start with, you'll need to turn it on. So that's a long press on the side button here. 1 1000, 2 1000. It'll light up, and it takes a few seconds to boot up. Afterwards, you'll need to connect it to your student's hearing devices. Now your student might have a hearing aid or a cochlear implant or something like that with which they connect a receiver to. Receivers might come in a cup, or they might already be automatically installed into your student's hearing device. It might look like this, or fit a cochlear implant like one of these, or be a lanyard like this. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that your transmitter is connected to your student's receivers. So a quick press will wake up the screen, and then hold it close to your student's devices with the receivers attached and press the connect button. You'll get a confirmation message. The other thing to know about the Roger touchscreen is how to wear it. When you're doing spoken instruction to class, you put this around your neck and then cinch up the strap so that these 3 microphones are about 8 inches from your face. So it sits on your chest. Make sure you don't wear other lanyards or keys around your neck or necklaces that might clang and bump up against this device, or your student will hear that noise. The microphone has 3 main features after connecting that you should know about. The first is how to mute the microphone. If you're giving instruction to other students or you don't need to broadcast your voice to the whole class, you can press this button quickly. That red light indicates that it's not transmitting your voice from the microphones to your student's hearing device. Make sure you unmute it when you're doing group instruction. The second feature is what's called the tabletop feature. If your student is doing a small group workshop or workspace, then what you can do is you can remove the lanyard from what it's wearing, set it flat on the table, and then these 3 microphones will pick up the sound from all the way around in about a 4 or 5 foot radius for a small group of students. Another feature to know about is how to connect your student to media devices such as Chromebooks, computers, or tablets. On the bottom of the touchscreen has a little hole called an audio input jack. You'll take the provided 3.5 millimeter cable, you plug it into the Roger touchscreen, and you'll put the other end into the headset output of the media. The last thing to know is how to charge these. Your students' receivers won't need charging usually, but the teacher transmitter will. So in order to charge this at night and on weekends, you'll take the charging cable provided, and I'll warn you, this can be delicate and easily broken. Make sure you line it up and put it into the Roger touchscreen. And then just plug it into the wall with the provided adapter. It doesn't generally work if you plug the USB into your computer, so make sure you use the provided adapter. You don't have to turn it on and off, it will do that automatically. If you forget over the night or over the weekend to charge it, don't worry. Usually 20 minutes will get you several hours of charge on the Roger touchscreen, and it will display the amount of time that you have before the battery is depleted at the top corner of the screen. If you have any questions at all, make sure that you contact us at audio@kentisd.org.